Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this watercolor effect. If you want to know how I got it, stay tuned and thanks for watching. So first you're going to take your acetone, your nail polish remover, your nail buffer, then you're going to take your white polish and your midnight blue, your light blue, your red polish, your lavender, your orange, your mint, your yellow, your hot pink, your brushes, your crystals, and then you're gonna need a napkin as well. Okay, so let's begin. So you want to go ahead and begin buffing your nails. I found that this actually helps like with the smoothness of the nail in general, like even your nail polish application. So yeah, go ahead and buff your nails and then set them aside. Okay, so now that we're done buffing, you want to just go ahead and apply your white coat, and you just apply one coat. Okay, so once you're done, you just want to go ahead and cure for about 90 seconds. So the thumb wasn't all the way dry, so I just popped it back in. I think the pinky wasn't done as well, so I just went and put them under the lamp for 30 more seconds. So yeah, I just moved on to the next nails. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take the thumbnail and use my light blue polish that I have. And then I'm going to take or prep my acetone or nail polish remover on the side, and then take my mint and lavender polish and then my hot pink polish, and then I'm going to just go ahead and place my blue polish like in little spots and like in different areas on the nail, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the mint polish as well and do the same thing. So just put little spots of the polishes like kind of close to each other but kind of far away. So yeah, just don't make an exact pattern. So now that I'm done applying all the colors on the nail, this is like one way to do it. You just go ahead and pop the acetone like on one color. So as you can see, like in the little nail polish dip in little area, I just started with the pink spots first, and then I move on to like the other colors. So then when you do it, you just want to start off with one color and then you move on to the next, so your brush doesn't mix the colors, because then you'll get like a bunch of other colors you don't want. You literally just want to fuse the colors together but not blend them, if that makes any type of sense. So yeah, just make sure you go color by color when you're using this method. So now that we're on to the next nail, I just already applied my purple spots. I'm just going to put my hot pink spots. None of the nails are going to be the same because I wanted it to be that way. So I just put my hot pink and my purple down first. I will do like a second method too. I'm so sorry it's out of the frame, but yeah, I'll show you the second method later on in the video. But for right now, I'm just applying the purple, the pink, and the mint on this nail. This is the pointer nail. So yeah, and I think I added the blue in too. So yeah, just continue to repeat the method of acetone on one particular color at a time. So if you want to do purple, start with the purple. If you want to start the pink, start the pink. So for this now, I'm going to start with the yellow. It's going to just be the red, midnight blue, and yellow nail. So I started with the yellow, just starting with that, and then I'm going to put the red down, and then after the red, I put the blue. These colors just so happen to be the primary colors, which was a coincidence. But yeah, so like I said, you just kind of want to repeat the same process. Place the colors down that you want. It doesn't matter what colors you want, as long as they look nice to you, then put them down. And then you apply the acetone, which is nail polish, if some of you don't know that. But yeah, so just go ahead and put the acetone, and you kind of want to let some of it drop if you have like a lot of polish. So on this nail, I had a lot of red at the top, so that's why it looks a little more like more water color effect, because I used more acetone, and I forgot to mention that earlier. So the more acetone that you use, the more watercolor effect it will have. So the more acetone, the better the effect. So for this next nail, I'm just going to be using midnight blue, the orange, and yellow. I was really out of the frame, so I kind of like just cut it in half. But yeah, I will mention the curing times. So while you're curing some nails, you need to be curing or doing the other nails. And I cured all the nails for about 90 seconds. Yeah, so just repeat the same process. Make sure that you cure for 90 seconds. Okay, so for this nail, I used the other method instead of the method I was using at first. So instead of putting them all down, I just put one color at a time down and just put acetone one color at a time, but without all the other colors already on the nail, because it comes out smoother and it blends like by itself. It does it on the other method, but it just blends easier using this method to me.